Today we learn about sedimentary rock. So in this video we talk about Wentworth classification of sedimentary rock and how sedimentary rock is forms actually. So introduction: sedimentary rocks are formed from deposition of pre-existing rocks like igneous or metamorphic that accumulate on the earth's surface. If sediment is buried deeply, it becomes compacted and cemented, forming sedimentary rocks. These rocks often have a distinctive layering or bedding. The most important geological processes that lead to the creation of sedimentary rocks are erosion, weathering, and dissolutions. So, as you can see, this is the sedimentary rock, and you can identify individual bedding of these rocks. See here. So, erosion and weathering include the effects of wind and rain, which slowly breaks down large rocks into smaller ones. Erosion and weathering transforms boulders and even mountains into sediments, such as sand or mud. Dissolution is a form of chemical weathering. With this process, water that is slightly acidic wears away stones or rock. These three processes create the raw materials for new sedimentary rocks formations. Formation of sedimentary rocks. So actually these steps are involved in the formation of sedimentary rocks. So first of all, erosion and weathering of pre-existing rocks is occurs. Then transportation of weathering product by rivers or wind or water actions. Then deposition of the material into the lakes or basins, then compaction, and then cementations. So apart from these steps, later two processes are involved in the formation of sedimentary rocks. So these two processes are very important actually in the formation of sedimentary rocks. So first of all is precipitations, is the formation of rocks and minerals from chemicals that precipitate from water. For example, as a lake dries up over many thousands of years, it leaves behind mineral deposits or rock deposition in the lake. Lithification is the process by which clay, sand, and other sediments on the bottom of the ocean or other bodies of water are slowly compacted into rocks from the weight of overlaying sediments. Sandstone, limestone, and shales are common sedimentary rocks actually. Types of sedimentary rocks. So there are three basic types of sedimentary rocks, that is clastic, chemical, and organic, and others are biologic sedimentary rocks. So we learn individually the type of clastic rock, sedimentary rocks. So first of all is clastic sedimentary rocks. Clastic sedimentary rocks is formed when rock layers are formed due to the mechanical weathering of different rocks. These rocks are made up of pieces or clasts of pre-existing rocks by weathering. The smallest grains are called clay, then silt, then sand. Grains larger than 2 millimeters are called pebbles. Example of clastic sedimentary rocks is sandstone, breccia, and shale. You can see this is the breccia and this is the sandstone. Then Wentworth classification. So this classification or scales is given by Wentworth 1982, and actually this is the simplified scales, as you can see. So if you want to know more about this classification or detail about this classification, you can search this into the internet, or you can take any sedimentary book. So this classification actually based on a grain size. So as you can see, this is the fine grain, clay is the fine grain, and this is the ascending order where coarse grain is a boulder actually. So 0.004 millimeter to 0.063 millimeter grain size is known as silt. Below 0.004 millimeter grain size is known as clay, and then 0.063 to 0.125 millimeter grain size is known as very fine sand. Then 0.125 to 0.25 is known as fine sand, and likewise this scale is gone up to 64 millimeter. So above 64 millimeter is known as boulders. Again, these sediments is classified into mud, means silt and clay is comes under mud. Then very fine sand to very coarse sand is comes under sand, and pebbles to boulders is known as gravels. These are the rocks name. So gravels is conglomerate, and brachia is actually comes under gravels, and sand means sandstone. Then mud is actually siltstone or clay stones. Chemical second one is chemical sedimentary rocks. So chemical sedimentary rocks formed by chemical precipitation that begins when water traveling through rocks dissolves some of the minerals. These minerals are carried away from their source and eventually precipitated when the water evaporates away. Example is chert, limestone, flint, and dolomite. See, this is the limestone and this is the flint. Third one is organic sedimentary rock. So this type of rock is formed when accumulation of plant or animals debris occurs in contact of rock formations. These rocks type include chalk, coal, dolomites, and limestone. See, this is the chalk and this is the coal. Others are biologic sedimentary rocks. So biologic sedimentary rocks formed when living organisms die, pile up, and then compressed and cemented together. Types of biologic sedimentary rocks include coal, that is formed due to the accumulation of plant materials that is rich in carbon actually. Second is limestone and coquina rocks. This coquina is actually made of marine organism. So this is the coquina. You can see the cells of marine organism, and this is the coal. So these are the two examples of biologic sedimentary rocks.